So I'll be showing you how to reject an incoming phone call from the lock screen of your iPhone. So when the iPhone is unlocked, then it's very easy. All you have to do is tap on the decline button or send a message telling them you can't pick up right now. But when the phone is locked on the lock screen like that, you can see with the phone locked, there's no button to reject the phone call. What you can do is press the side key once to silence the incoming call, and then press it again to reject that incoming call and also lock the screen, or rather turn off the screen. All this is while the iPhone is locked. So press the side key twice, once to silence the call and secondly to reject that incoming call. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below and good luck.